Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Apple iPads. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves having a powerful tablet, there's an iPad for you. In this video, we'll explore the top 4 best iPads of 2024 and see what makes each of them stand out. So, let's get started and find the perfect iPad for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 4 is the Apple iPad, 10th generation. This model is perfect for those looking for a reliable, versatile tablet without breaking the bank. The 10th Gen iPad features a 10.2-inch Retina display, offering sharp and vibrant visuals that are perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, or even doing some light photo editing. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, this iPad ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks. Whether you're using it for school, work, or play, the iPad 10th Gen can handle it all with ease. It also supports the first-generation Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard, making it a great tool for note-taking, drawing, and typing. With up to 10 hours of battery life, it's built to last through your busiest days. The 12-megapixel front camera with center stage makes video calls more engaging by automatically keeping you in the frame, while the 8-megapixel rear camera is great for capturing photos and scanning documents. At number 3, we have the Apple iPad mini, 6th generation. Don't let its small size fool you. The iPad mini is a powerhouse in a compact form factor. The 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display with true tone and wide color provides stunning visuals, making it ideal for reading, gaming, and watching videos on the go. The iPad mini is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, delivering exceptional performance and efficiency. This makes it perfect for multitasking, running demanding apps, and even some light photo and video editing. The 6th Gen iPad mini supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, which magnetically attaches to the side of the device, making it a great companion for creatives and note-takers. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage and 12-megapixel back camera with Smart HDR3 ensure high-quality video calls and photos. With 5G connectivity, you can stay connected wherever you are, making it an excellent choice for travelers and those who need a powerful, portable device. Coming in at number 2 is the Apple iPad Air, 11-inch, M2. The iPad Air has always been known for its perfect balance of power and portability, and the latest M2 version takes it to the next level. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display with True Tone and P3 wide color gamut offers stunning visuals that are perfect for any task, from media consumption to professional work. The M2 chip inside the iPad Air provides a significant boost in performance, making it capable of handling even the most demanding applications with ease. Whether you're editing videos, creating graphics, or playing the latest games, the iPad Air delivers smooth, lag-free performance. It also supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard, turning it into a versatile productivity tool. The 12-megapixel front camera with center stage and 12-megapixel rear camera with Smart HDR4 ensure that your photos and video calls look great. With up to 10 hours of battery life and 5G connectivity, the iPad Air is perfect for both work and play on the go. And finally, at number 1, we have the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch, M4. This is the ultimate iPad for those who demand the best in performance, display quality, and features. The 13-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology offers an unrivaled visual experience with exceptional brightness, contrast, and color accuracy, making it perfect for creative professionals. The M4 chip inside the iPad Pro delivers desktop-class performance, making it capable of handling the most intensive tasks such as 3D rendering, video editing, and running multiple Pro apps simultaneously. The Pro also supports the second-generation Apple Pencil, Magic Keyboard, and Smart Keyboard Folio, providing unmatched versatility for productivity and creativity. The 12MP wide and 10MP ultra-wide cameras with LiDAR scanner enhance augmented reality experiences and offer incredible photo and video quality. The front-facing 12MP True Depth camera supports center stage, keeping you perfectly framed during video calls. With up to 10 hours of battery life, 5G connectivity, and Thunderbolt support, the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 is the best iPad for anyone who needs the ultimate in power and performance. So there you have it, the top 4 best iPads in 2024. Each of these devices offers something unique, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for an affordable tablet, a compact powerhouse, a versatile workhorse, or the ultimate performance machine, there's an iPad for you. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.